Ethlance is a new age freelancing platform developed on blockchain and smart contracts, and it works on a different mechanism. Keep watching this video so that you can understand how Ethlance works and how you can use Ethlance for your freelancing journey so that you get the work done and get paid in crypto. But there is a catch, and we'll be discussing that in this video. Hello everyone, my name is Faiz and I'm the founder of Inshaan Corporation, and you are watching how Ethlance works. Ethlance is a new age marketplace which is developed on blockchain. So keep watching this video to understand more in great detail. We have also discussed how Fiverr works and how TopTal works. The link is in the description below. Go watch that video as well. So first of all, coming to the topic, what is Ethlance?
Ethlance is like a freelancing marketplace, but where the transaction only takes place in crypto, specifically Ethereum. So basically, Ethlance is a part of District OS network. Now, before saying about Ethlance, let me say you about District OS network. So basically, District OS network is a network of decentralized marketplaces and communities where you can create, operate, and govern. And it is powered by Ethereum, Argon, and IPFS. District are basically decentralized marketplace. If you want us to make a separate video on this and to explain what are smart contracts, what are blockchains, what are cryptocurrency, so please mention that in the comment, and we will make a separate video on all those terms, what are DAOs, what are basically Web3 or what are dApps. So please mention that in the comment and we'll make a separate video on that. But in this video, we'll be talking about Ethlance. So how does it work? Basically, the structure of this is as same as any freelancing marketplace. You get either gigs or freelancer in this platform who are ready to accept or pay in Ethereum. So the process is same: become a freelancer, find job, apply for a job, get hired, create invoice, receive Ether feedback. And for an employer, create job, invite freelancer, accept job proposal, get task done, pay invoices in Ether, leave feedback. Basically, it is running on smart contracts. But here you can see that they have very less gigs in this platform. If you just go to find work, you can't really see much work, much job application in here. My wallet is not connected though. Now getting into this, Ethlance is a bit difficult. That's why they have created a list specifically for what are the procedure that you need to follow. First, you need to install MetaMask and link that. So MetaMask is basically a wallet which has a Chrome extension. You can just install, download that Chrome extension and then connect that with your wallet here in this Ethlance, and then become freelancer and apply for the job, or become employer and create a job. Create invoice, which are basically the smart contracts that you create, and when the job is done, you basically get paid. This is how Ethlance works. The catch is that you don't really find a lot of gigs in this space, and that's why Ethlance is not as good as compared to other freelancing platform. Payment structure based on crypto is rising, so we'll see that in future. But as of right now, you don't really find much gigs in this platform, but it's as same as any freelancing marketplace. So this video is short, and that's it, guys. If you want us to include more of this Web3 technology that is going around, then please mention that in the comment below and we'll try to include that as well. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, please subscribe to the channel where we continue to bring this kind of video for you. Also, don't forget to join our Discord server, which is a gig aggregator server, and we try to aggregate gigs from different platforms and make it available for you in a single place. So to make your freelancing journey more smooth. And that's it from my side, guys. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.